Hello and welcome everybody. XELA stock on 26th November. So let's see what would happen next time for the XELA stock. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. And if we wanted to see XELA stock movements on one day update, so it's going to be about the Fibonacci level strategy. So if we wanted to see the decrease that happened since it was on 13 July, 13 May or June, maybe on the start of July 2017, decreased in momentum by this period, and then it went from a value of 518 to 281. That was so good, and it decreased by half value, so that it decreases the remaining value here, and the last stock would be next time very good at the price that would be explained. Since the Zilla stock has decreased, it would increase next time that I can see as a trader. Okay, and that what we should be as a price prediction used today.